Welcome back to the news today. Let's turn to the latest on the Sushant Singh Rajput case, where 50 days after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, there are more revelations, and this time the focus seems to be shifting to the sisters and the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. While until now, actor Rhea Chakraborty and her family have been under the scanner, now fresh revelations suggest that Sushant Singh's family knew much more about the actor's illness than they claimed to reveal earlier. India Today has accessed details of the Mumbai police's documents where Sushant's family has explained how they saw the actor's mental illness. Take a look at this special report.
Sushant Singh Rajput's family was aware of the actor's mental health issues. They had admitted in their statement to the Mumbai police. India Today has now accessed these statements, which are now with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Sushant's sisters, Neetu, Priyanka and Meetu, according to these papers, admitted that Sushant was depressed and was visiting a psychiatrist. Priyanka, in her statement to Mumbai police, also told that Sushant had consulted a psychiatrist in 2013, an aspect Rhea Chakraborty had also touched upon in an exclusive interview to India Today.
मैंने उनसे बात की और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि 2013 में उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ था जब उनको एक डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड हुआ था और वो एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट को मिले थे जिनका नाम शायद मिस्टर हरीश शेट्टी है और उन्होंने ही उस सुशांत को ये मोडाफिनिल वाली दवाई प्रिस्क्राइब की थी.
The eldest daughter Neetu, in statement to Mumbai police, said Sushant was admitted to Hinduja Hospital for treatment under psychiatrist Karchi Chavra in November 2019. The actor's father, KK Singh, in his testimony said the actor had called him on 6th of June when he asked him to return to Patna. The father also said Sushant was not feeling well and may have committed suicide out of dejection. The family's lawyer, however, has rejected these statements.
As far as the family is concerned, the family has never given any such statement of Sushant committing suicide. These statements were recorded by the Mumbai police in Marathi. The family also objected that please don't write in Marathi if you want us to sign. They were forced to sign that statement or a statement written in Marathi. They had no clue of what was being written.
Investigations in every state take place according to the state language. If at all they had an objection, if at all they did not understand the contents of the statements they had signed, which they said that they had understood when they signed those statements, I can't understand how anybody can go back on that.
So far, Sushant's family has publicly maintained that he was not depressed. But these statements, now with the CBI, reveal a completely different story from what their FIR filed in Patna earlier claimed. Now it is up to the Central Bureau of Investigation to dig out the truth. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.